What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am in Phuket, but today I am in Kamala, the neighborhood of Kamala. There's the beach over there, Kamala Beach, and I'm actually looking for the Tsunami Memorial that's around here. Oh, there it is. Let's check it out. So that's the Tsunami Memorial for the 2004 tsunami that happened here in Phuket. It was about, what, 20 years ago? Yeah, 20 years ago. There's a tsunami that occurred here in Phuket, and a lot of lives were lost. So let's check it out here. Natural disaster is caused by a shift of nature, obtain equilibrium of. Okay, well. This is the memorial, so pretty interesting. Moving on, let's check out other areas here. Looks like there's a bridge here. Let's check it out. Water, kind of dirty. I wonder what this is exactly. It looks like they got shops over there. And the beach is over there. They got a lot of massage places. And this is Kamala Beach. It's about a 20-minute drive from Patong. So it'd be interesting to check out this beach. It's a very calm beach. I've walked here a few times. It's a very calm, laid-back area here in the Kamala neighborhood. Unlike Patong, where it's a little bit more touristy. Well, it's touristy here too, but it's more, I guess you can say, rowdier. Maybe that's the right word. I'm not sure. I think you get the idea. If you saw my last video, you can see the amount of people on the beach here versus Patong. It's not as full compared to Patong. I mean, Kamala compared to Patong, Kamala isn't full. Let's walk down there and see. I think we can also go up there, but let's, you know what, actually, let's walk up here first. I think there's more going on over here. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Kamala. It'd be interesting to know what you think of this neighborhood. Alright, so here we go, walking over there. Just gonna give you a little tour of this nice area. And they got plenty of restaurants and chairs to sit down and enjoy the day here in Kamala. And that's a restaurant, looks like it's part of a resort. There's the vendor selling items on the beach. Looks like little airplanes we got here. Yep. Or birds, turtles. And there's a resort pool over there. This is very beautiful. Look at all these palm trees lined up together. It looks very nice. I like it. Yeah, Patong is, as I said, more crazy, more busy. Fun place though, fun place to party. Lots going on. Oh yeah, look at this. Kamala Go Surfing. You can learn to surf. 1,200 baht per person, an hour and 30 minutes. People enjoying their day in the pool. Looks like they're playing ping pong over there. Pretty nice. So yeah, after Kamala, I might check out another area for another video, or I might go to might go back to Bangkok actually. Yeah, I think I might do that, so stay tuned for that. And here we are. So yeah, all this is resorts, and over there there's a lot of restaurants and shops. Looks like there's a lot of people over there. Still not, you know, as busy compared to Patong. Yeah, I like Kamala. I like Patong too. It's, you know, they're both good, just depending on what you're looking for. So if you're coming to Phuket, just know that there's more than one area. There's a lot of areas, a lot of, you know, places, neighborhoods, districts where you can stay at. So we are approaching the shops here. Let's take a look. So you got a travel booth right there, so you can do tours. Coconut 70 baht. I've seen them go for as low as 50 baht. We got towels, hats, more hats, boards, surfing boards. We got some apparel, shirts. Yeah, bags. So if you need some shirts, this is the place to go. If you're nearby. And at night there's a market, a night market, open Mondays, Fridays, and the weekends. Although Sunday, don't quote me on Sunday. I'm not sure if it's open on Sunday. But I know it was open Saturday. Today is Sunday, so I'm not too sure. Got coconut corn, banana chocolate, some desserts here. Look at these pine trees. I think they're pine trees. So beautiful. It's nice out here. Ah, so lovely. These pine trees are so beautiful. It's cool seeing palm trees, but when it's nice for a change to see something different, like pine trees on the beach. And there's a bathroom, 10 baht for toilet, 20 baht for shower. Looks like we got bracelets for sale. Yoga on the beach. Got some yoga on the beach there. And this is a restaurant here. You got some restaurants right there. You can sit down and eat. Palm trees right there. There's the palm trees. And pine trees again. We got massage places. More restaurants. Look how decorated that pine tree is. I'm still a little sick. If you saw my last video, I was a little sick recovering from, got sick arriving from Malaysia. So, still trying to recover. I'm feeling probably 80% better. That sucks being sick, but it happens. You got a big selection of restaurants here. So yeah, you can walk around and see what you like. Breakfast cafe restaurant, Bella Vistas. So you got a cafe place, pharmacy. Chicken. Yeah, that looks delicious. Got a nice airplane there. Massage place. Another restaurant. Oh, that Chang beer looks good. Definitely got to hold back on the beer. sick, so no beer for me. In fact, they got a horse over there, so you can do some horseback riding on the beach. Cool little restaurant there. Nicely decorated. Nanok seafood. Parking for motorcycles. Looks like it's the end of the little walkway, and it turns into sand. Let's keep on moving over here. Lifeguard. I don't see the lifeguard. Okay, so it just turns into not much over there. Maybe it's over there. All right, I'm gonna walk over there. That doesn't seem like there's anything interesting over here other than restaurants. So I'm gonna walk down here, and if I see something interesting, I'll turn the camera back on, and well, I'll eventually turn it back on. So see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I am approaching this big venue right here. So this is Café del Mar. It's a big beach club. I'll probably walk over there and show you the outside of the club, but I don't know if you can see from the screen, there's a lot of tables so you can sit down, you know, and have some food and drinks. Yeah, this is the popular, it's a popular place, Café del Mar. Worth checking out if you are here for a good time. And look at all these palm trees right here. Very beautiful. I mean pine trees, sorry. And it looks like there's some swings over there. And they got security there, so you cannot enter from here. You gotta enter from the main area outside. So look how beautiful this looks. Look at those houses or condos over there. That must be expensive. Very nice. Or maybe they might be like condos or rentals or something like that. So maybe you can enter through there. I'll show you guys the outside. But yeah, this is Café del Mar. Who knows? Maybe I'll go. Maybe I'll go inside. Sit down. But the music, though, that might be a problem. So, probably not. You can hear the music, so must be a nice place to go and relax. So that is the outside, Café del Mar. Looks like a pretty elegant place, I'm sure. It's not cheap. Yeah, there it is, guys. Café del Mar here in Phuket. Popular place globally. I know there's a lot of locations. I am now walking towards the other side. So that took about a good 15-20 minutes to get over here, back from all the way down there. So here we are walking towards the other side of the beach. Looks like we got some more restaurants, a little more on the quieter side. As you can see, there's not a lot going on over here, so but it's still nice. It's cool to check out and walk around. Looks like we got some jet skis out in the ocean, and we got some longtail boats over there. And looks like some sort of hotel, and we got a horse over there. Looks like they're doing horseback riding tours. It's kind kind of empty on this side of the beach. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at those houses on the corner. Or condos. Must be expensive. We got another restaurant over there. A poke bowl place. Looks like they're doing a photo shoot with that horse over there out in the ocean. The weather is very nice. The sun, there's no sun, but it feels really good. It's 2:05 p.m. Feels really good. Doesn't feel hot, but it's perfect with it. Let's walk over here. Pavilion Seafood. So there's a restaurant over there. Pavilion Seafood. A tuk-tuk here. And it's quite empty on this side. Not a lot going on over here. Oh yeah, I just wanted to show you this side of the beach so you can check it out for yourself. As you can see, there's a lot of it's a big area starting from all the way over there, walking all the way down here. Tsunami hazard zone. So obviously this place, as I said in the beginning of the video, there was a historical tsunami here in 2004, 20 years ago in Phuket, and they got hit pretty bad, a lot of casualties. So they'll have evacuation routes just in case something like that were to happen again in the future. But man, look at those houses over there. That is beautiful. Oh man. One day I'll have enough money to stay up there. And looks like we got little carts there selling foods and what looks like desserts, actually, or drinks. I haven't had a Thai tea in Thailand yet, so I'll need to definitely have one here soon. Very beautiful though. Okay guys, I think I'm actually gonna wrap the video up here. Just wanted to show you guys the beach side here in Kamala. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm not too sure where I'll be at or what I'll be filming next, but stay tuned and check out some of my previous videos. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're liking my videos, and follow my adventures. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.